Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your browser is current. Outdated builds break features. Once updated, disable extensions or switch to an incognito profile to isolate conflicts. Try the direct shortcuts like Ctrl+Shift+I or F12 and use right-click Inspect Element. If shortcuts fail, test another profile or browser. Doing this narrows the cause fast, so you can move to deeper fixes without wasting time on basic checks. Once done with initial checks, you diagnose deeper causes and apply targeted fixes. Reset DevTools to defaults to remove corrupt preferences, clear docked state, and remove workspace overrides that block files. Then examine response headers. A strict content security policy can prevent inspect hooks. Also, verify whether antivirus, ad blockers, or enterprise management inject scripts that break tools. If you find policies, adjust locally or request an exception. These steps explain why dev tools can fail and steer your remediation precisely. Finish by applying final fixes and verifying the solution. If settings stay corrupt, reinstall the browser or create a fresh profile to restore default behavior. Next, reproduce the issue in a second browser or a clean virtual machine to confirm it was environment-specific. Make sure to restart the system when required. If Inspect still fails, collect DevTools console logs, screenshots, and exact browser and OS versions. These details let support or forums diagnose remaining edge cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.